Hello everyone, I am Ignacio. I'm the co-founder of Datalemons, and today I want to show you why revenue management is so important for your business and how to implement it. But first, what is revenue management? So, revenue management is a practice that seeks to optimize revenue and profitability from a commercial perspective through analytics and tools. Basically, the idea is to use various techniques developed by experts through the years to analyze our sales data. With this, we discover new information that helps us make decisions to be more profitable, such as which products we should focus on, which ones we should increase price, and where we should invest more from a commercial perspective, and many more. So, now that we know what it is, how do we implement it? So, there are many techniques and analyses that are available for revenue management. But in Datalemons, we decided to split all of this in 4 stages. The idea is to show you in a simple way how you can implement revenue management and the most basic tools for this practice. The first stage is understanding what is going on inside your business. Basically, for this, we need a control panel where we have the main analytics for our business, such as sales, orders, average ticket, conversion rates, margin, and many more. But one of the most important parts is having an analysis that tells you why your revenue is changing. Why are you selling more or less? So, for most of businesses like retail, consumer goods, typical services, the analysis we use is price-volume mix. This analysis is very typical, and it basically splits the sales changes in 3 origins: in price, volume, and mix. This methodology separates the changes in sales into different origins and can help us understand what actions we should take or where we should focus more. Additionally, we also recommend having a traffic light or business rules that helps us to focus quickly in what matters most, in which category or product is performing worst. The second stage is analyzing and optimizing prices. The main focus is to see prices as the same way our customers do. To do this, we have to group all the products by similarity, such as our customers do when they want to purchase something. So, the idea is to analyze the price differences between these products, and you do this by building indices. Basically, you divide the price of a product by the price of another product, and this is going to give you an index, and you compare these indices, and this is a similar way that our customers see the prices when they want to make a decision. Additionally, this can be done with competitor prices, and with that, we'll know what the customer sees when they look at our prices and compare them with the rest. The next step is to correct errors or test price changes considering these indices. The third stage is segmentation and personalization. In this case, it starts to get more tricky, and doing this with a simple spreadsheet starts to become really difficult. So my recommendation is for you to search for different services such as Datalemons. In summary, in B2C businesses, which are businesses that sell products to end consumers, we shall communicate based on customer behavior. This is going to improve our conversion and also the customer interaction with our business. While in B2B, in the industry that business sell to other businesses, the idea is to adjust prices according to the characteristics of each of our customers, which ultimately benefits our profitability and organizes our negotiations. This can be done with algorithms and segmentation techniques, but as I was saying, doing it with just a spreadsheet is not very feasible. And the last and fourth stage is having more advanced techniques and evaluations. What do we mean by that? Basically, it's having sales projections or forecasts at our disposal to anticipate operational needs and price adjustments. We can also have causality studies which allow us to understand what is the effect that climate has in our sales, or for example, our prices or promotions and other conditions. And finally, it's also good to have a financial analysis model that studies the profitability of products from a commercial perspective. There are many more techniques related to these same stages, but the ones we mentioned are the main ones to cover most of the analytical needs of the commercial team. As I mentioned before, the first two stages are simpler and we can all do it with a spreadsheet or resort to more advanced solutions, but for the last two stages, I do not recommend doing it by hand or with simple logic, but rather it is better to look for more professional solutions. At Datalemons, we have automated all of the tools that we mentioned, both basic and advanced, so you can save time and start improving the decisions you make immediately with the power of revenue management. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this information has been useful to you. We'll be adding guides on how to build and use this analysis in the future, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your comments and questions. See you next time!